How to install rivet nuts. Rivet nuts come in various sizes and styles for adding a load-bearing hole to thin sheet metal applications. For this installation, you'll require a drill bit, and rivet nut installation tool. In this video, we will be using a hand riveter, but battery-powered and pneumatic tools are also very common. Proper hole size is important when installing a rivet nut. We list the correct drill bit size on the product details of each rivet nut. A pilot hole may be required depending on the thickness of the metal you are drilling. Thread the rivet nut onto the nozzle of the tool you are using. Insert the rivet nut into the hole. Compress the handles of the tool to set the rivet nut in place. The rivet nut will collapse and flatten to the backside of the application material. Unthread the tool from the rivet nut. For more information on sizing and installing rivet nuts, visit boltdepot.com. Bolt Depot, fastener shopping made easy.